Hello Pythonistas. So today we are going to see this Python division which is available. So here what is the task is the provided code stub reads two integers a and b. Add logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of integer division of a and b. The second logic should contain the result of float division of a and b. So if you want the integer division of a and b, we have the special symbol which is nothing but a and double slash b, which will give you the integer part alone, or we can say it will give you the quotient alone. And if you want the remainder part also, like if you want a float division with decimal points, then we are just going to write a divided by b. This will give you the whole division and this will give you only the integer part. So the input format, so they have also said no rounding or formatting is necessary. So we don't want to round off the float division, so no worries. Here a divided by b and a divided by d. They have given you the sample input also. I think this code will be working fine now. Let me run and show you. Yes, so sample test case 1 has been accepted. So now let me submit and check if all the other test cases are also accepted. So 1 and 2 both are accepted. That's it for today friends. Bye bye.